Make a great choice today with the 2016 MDX. The Acura MDX is a wonderful choice if you're looking for a mid-size luxury crossover SUV. Thanks to its high safety scores, a strong engine, all-around utility, and capable handling, this vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, all-wheel drive, power liftgate, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, speed control, power moonroof, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.